Oh, excuse me. Good evening. It's Mrs. Applebottom here. Today we're going to be interviewing a bird. Could you believe that? A talking freaking bird. And his name is Oliver. Now, Oliver, where are you, Oliver? Oh, there you are, Oliver. How are you today, Oliver? You jerk. Oliver, that's not nice. Don't say bad words. Oliver doesn't say bad words, you jerk. Oh, my goodness. Oliver is a naughty, naughty little bird. Get your fat bird up and give me some macaroni. He wants macaroni. Can you believe that a bird eats macaroni? Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't believe. So, Oliver, what other things do you say? When the cat is going meow, meow, I tell it to go lay down before they get rid of it. Could you believe that he says that? I can't believe it. Did I tell you I was British? Anyway, back to Oliver. Oliver, so, oh my gosh, it got dark in here. What's going on with the lights? Technical difficulties? Anyway, Oliver, tell me, what other things do you say? Tell me, I heard that you don't like to stay up late at night. Why? Because when I'm trying to sleep, those jerks want to leave on the TV and talk. And so I say, Oliver wants to go to sleep, you jerks. Didn't you hear me? Oh my goodness, Oliver is a naughty, naughty bird. Oh my, are you flying, Oliver? Oh my God, be careful. Don't get so close to me. Stop getting so close to me, Oliver. Stop getting close. Ah! Oh, he pecked at me. That pecker. You mother pecker. You jerk. And he called me a jerk. You're off my show, Oliver. Slap the bird. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have to apologize for his naughty behavior. He will never come on my show again. Did I tell you I was British?